Okay.
Okay, this is us
In a car wash.
going to the car wash. Her car just like didn't turn on. Yeah, it's nuts.
I was like sitting at the beginning of the car wash, and this guy was like, "Come on, come on," but my car didn't start because I turned it off. And
Oh!
this is so cool! Look at what dude.
It's like a roller coaster. What the hell? That's the back of her car. Oh my god.
Oh god.
This is nuts. What the hell?
This is so cool.
It's dyingly hot in here. She's getting attacked.
Hello. Is it gonna do your song?
Yeah, do I get one?
Oh.
This is crazy! We don't know what's happening. Yeah. Wait, why do we have music on?
Oh. No.
Hear what Geico is.
I'm wide awake.
This is crazy. Oh, it's hot in here.
Yeah, so much. It's funny.
Is this the point where we can roll down the window? Oh! Oh, that was scary. Homegirl. Yeah, I just call myself Homegirl. Homegirl's trying to roll down the window.
I can feel the air.
We're like freaking out.
To life at Disney California Adventure Park, and you can be there for all the fun and excitement.
Take the ride of your
Okay.
life on Radiator Springs Racing.
We're gonna end the video now. That was our adventure. We'll videotape at Hooters again.
Tell me to go.